Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have stage 61 of eaglemoss and hero collectors build your own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so stage 61. What are we doing in this one? We are doing the rear left interior panel and speaker in this one, and I think that's exactly the same. We're doing the rear right interior panel for the next stage as well. So we'll probably have this one today, 61 today, and we'll have 62 tomorrow. So there's not too much to do, but let me show you what we've got to do anyway. So there is the left rear panel, and this is what we're doing. Just got the one page of build instructions. So all we're going to do is add the speaker to this part here with a screw, and screw that to the panel, and then the panel's getting fitted to the actual cargo area. So that is all we've got to do today. And then the reason why I say it's going to be a quick video is just because that's all we've got to do, and because it's exactly the same in issue 62, we'll have that one coming up tomorrow. And this will be the last of the build for this one. As you can see, no more builds. So coming up next time, as you can see, we've got lots more details to put in. Looks like some more rails to put in, wires and circuit boards and all sorts. That's going in next time. I do have this issue here, so we'll crack on with that one very soon. Okay, so this one should be a nice, quick and easy, short and sweet video to start your day. So yeah, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so we've opened up the parts. As you can see, this is our left rear panel. Looking very, very nice. It is plastic, but yeah, it's done really nicely. So we're going to just put this to the side just for a second. All we're going to do is bring in these two details here. So we're going to add this to this, and we're going to use an EP screw for this. So I'm going to grab an EP screw, stick it on the screwdriver, and all we've got to do is just plop this on here and screw it down. Central screw hole. Nice, quick, easy, short and sweet that. There you are. That is that attached onto there. Now we can attach this to the back of the panel. So this is going this way round, just like that. And now is it that way? Let me just double check. Yeah, it is that way. So yeah, we can turn that over. Two more EP screws in the back here. So let's get the first of the two in. It's number one, and the second one, which is the last EP screw for today. There we are. That is that speaker all attached on there. So now we can bring over the cargo area and get this installed. Okay, so this one is going just here. So we need to line that up on there. There, there, and there. And then we're going to have 3 DP screws in the underside. So we need to hold this and screw it in at the same time. So I'm just going to turn this on its side and secure this from this side. Put the middle one in first. And 2 more to go, one on each end. I'm going to go in the end one now. Just like so. One more screw to go, and that's this issue done. So that one is going just here. So we've got there's 3 little sections you can screw into here. We want to go into the top one, as I'll show you in a sec. There's 3 holes here. Just there. We want to go in the top one there, and that is it. That's all we have to do in this issue. As you can see, we've now got that panel all installed in there. And there you are. I told you it was going to be short and sweet, and that is all we've got to do today. So we're going to do exactly the same tomorrow, but on the opposite side. So make sure you join me for that one as well. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.